Hi Sheila, how are you? Congratulations, you are now an octogenarian. Oh God, time has simply flown. All of us, brothers and sisters, have now crossed the 70 club. It's because of our parents' Ashirvada on all of us. Let me first congratulate you on your 80th birthday and wish you many more such birthdays. May Sri Harivayu Gurugalu bless you with long life, health, happiness, and many joyous years ahead. Now that I have wished you on your happy birthday, I would try to recollect our interaction over the last almost 65 to 70 years. The first thing I remember is as a prank you did in 1953 in Mysore, where you did Baliya Shirda Mele Kalitto. It was funny. Then from 1954 to 58, you were our teacher-like thing. You used to control us when we had to go to play, when we had to come back home and sit for studies. More than Amma, I think you were controlling us. We then come to 1962, 61, 62, when all of us were in Bangalore. I was in pre-university course and you were also in pre-university course in Acharya Pathshala. Both of us used to enjoy going out in Bangalore together, especially for cricket matches. And you know how crazy all of us were about cricket. Even during our childhood days in Ballari, before your marriage, all of us, you, baby, Ajit, Vasu, myself, all of us used to play cricket in our compound. Then in 1961-62, both of us were crazy about cricket to the extent that when the Indian team was camping in Bangalore in West End Hotel, do you remember that both of us took a taxi and went to West End Hotel because they were not allowing any other visitors except residents. So to meet the Indian cricketers, we adopted this ploy. We took a taxi, went to West End Hotel, met a couple of them there, and then came out. The very next day at Central College grounds, you broke the protocol and you jumped into the pavilion, took the photographs of Chandu Borde, Salim Durrani, and some of the other cricketers. So that was our childhood. And in 1962, I also remember, I think we had a glimpse of Queen Elizabeth II when she visited Bangalore, and she came near the western gate of Lal Bagh near our house. Then on, I think you moved to Canada, and on your first visit to India from Canada in 1965, you were thinking of taking me along with you for further studies in Canada, but you know the reason why Amma and Anna, they did not approve of this. Anyway, afterwards, from 1972 to 2018 is a different period. Whenever you came to Bangalore, we used to go about various parts of Bangalore in our little green color car. You may probably remember that all of us, that is myself, Kirti, my children, and Mama, Gayatri, all of us went to Ashoka Hotel for the first time, five-star hotel. Had some nice time. Then I took you people to the Indian Independence Day, March past and other things, where we took the photographs of your children along with some police officials. Visited Airlines Hotel many times. Then on every visit of yours, we used to love go shopping along with you. One of the visits, I think all of us, that is you and your children, myself, Kirti and Namrata and Nikhil, all of us went to Mysore in Kaveri Express early morning train. We stayed there for 2-3 days. We visited Chamundi Hills, Krishnaraj Sagar Dam, Jagan Mohan Palace. Then we went to Srirangapatna, you remember? All those things are very, very vivid in my memory. I got a lot of photographs of those things. Then recently, when you came again, all of us, baby, myself, Pragna, Vasu, Uma, everyone, all of us went to Shivasamudra. Probably you really enjoyed our trip to Shivasamudra, especially on the way back when a lot of jokes were made, including the driver also had a joke to say. So this is how we have spent all our time together. It is remarkable that all of us have kept our relationships intact for over 65 years, well bounded. We are all affectionate and we love each other very much. We miss all of you. So these are some of my thoughts which I thought I should convey it to you. And as a